Well, the assault on the Capitol happened fast, and the very idea of something like that happening is just stunning. Yesterday, we spent the day telling you what we learned as we learned it. But today, we're able to look more carefully at the attack on our symbol of democracy. Jade Cunningham is going to step us through what happened and when it happened, and let you see for yourself how quickly things unraveled.
The United States Capitol Wednesday morning was quiet as thousands of Trump supporters gathered nearby for a Save America rally.
We have come to demand that Congress do the right thing.
Trump addressed the crowd right before 11 a.m. Central Time and spoke for about an hour, continuing false claims of a fraudulent election. As Trump finished, lawmakers not far away in the Capitol began the electoral certification. It wasn't long before protesters got there and became aggressive. Police evacuated 3 buildings across from the Capitol building. By 1 p.m., rioters pushed their way past police barricades and forced their way inside. Windows were broken, walls were scaled, nothing seemed to stop them.
Smell the tear gas.
Meanwhile, lawmakers inside were being evacuated to safety, some posting on Twitter what they were witnessing.
There are people who have violently entered the United States Capitol.
As rioters flooded into the Capitol from different directions, fear ensued.
Everybody stay down!
Images began surfacing on social media of lawmakers hiding, rioters looting, some even posing for pictures.
Is that a Democrat?
I call on President Trump.
At 3 p.m. Central, President-elect Joe Biden addressed the nation, calling on President Trump to do the same. 15 minutes later, the president posted a recorded video on social media, telling his supporters he loved them, but they needed to go home.
I know how you feel.
That tweet was quickly flagged by Twitter due to false claims of the election and posing a risk of violence. By 7 p.m., rioting had stopped at the Capitol. A trail of destruction was left behind, but lawmakers still got back to work, marking the finale of one electoral count the nation will certainly never forget. Jade Cunningham, Eyewitness News.